Want to open Amazon links directly in the app, bypassing those annoying in-app browsers? Today, I'll show you how to create a smart link for your Amazon affiliate using OpentoApp. Let's get started. First, head over to the Amazon app and grab your affiliate link. Simply find the product you want to share, copy the link, and you're ready to move on. Now, open your browser and visit OpentoApp.com. This platform lets you create smart links that open directly in apps like Amazon, bypassing in-app browsers. On the homepage, click the Create Link button or the plus button on mobile. Then, paste your Amazon affiliate link in the provided field. Enter the CAPTCHA code to verify you're human and click Create Link. Wait a few seconds and voila! Your smart link is ready to use. Now, take your newly created smart link and paste it into your Facebook profile bio. This ensures that when someone clicks your link, it will open directly in the Amazon app instead of Facebook's in-app browser. Let's test it out. As you can see, clicking the link opens the Amazon app directly, giving your followers a seamless experience. No more annoying in-app browsers. If you're an Amazon affiliate or just want to share links that open directly in the app, use OpentoApp to create your smart links today. Perfect for boosting engagement and conversions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.